the newest member of our fleet, the BOAC 747. New concepts of passenger handling and service had to be developed to meet the needs of passengers in the jetliner of the 70s. New seats, new decor and facilities, new ground handling ideas, new schedules, new dimensions in passenger comfort. These were the challenges we faced in developing our approach to the 747. Spacious comfort for every passenger. That is the keynote of BOAC's approach to the 747 cabins. Each cabin, 1 first class and 4 economy, is furnished to look and feel like a separate self-contained entity.